guys, welcome to Flavory. I'm Darshana Bharat and this is my son Rishwant.
Hi guys, today we are gonna make cheese potato cutlet.
Yes, before making cheese potato cutlets, let us look at the ingredients. In a mixing bowl, I have kept 4 large boiled and mashed potatoes. To this, I am adding 1 medium-sized finely chopped onions, 1/4 tablespoon of pepper powder, dry red chili flakes and 1 green chili finely chopped. Next, I am going to add 1/2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 tablespoon of garam masala, 1/2 tablespoon of red chili powder and salt. Now I am going to mix this. Now I have mixed this completely. Next I am going to make the cutlets into round shape. Before that I am going to grease my hand with little bit of oil. Flatten this. In the middle, add some grated cheese. Cover this. Make it to a round shape like this. Repeat the same process. Make a round like this. Put a small dent in the middle. Add some grated cheese. And close this. Now the cutlets are ready. I am going to keep this in refrigerator for about 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes I have taken this from the refrigerator. Next I have added 1/2 tablespoon of maida. To this I am adding a little bit of salt. Mix this in water. cutlets into the maida paste. And after that, I'm going to roll it on the breadcrumbs. Repeat the same process. Now I have coated all the cutlets in breadcrumbs. Now I'm going to shallow fry it. Add very less amount of oil. Add the cutlets. Fry this till they are golden crispy. Now they have fried. While cooking this, keep the flame on low and fry it, because we have added cheese to this. If you keep it on high flame, the cheese will melt and the cutlet will also become very soft. Now let us do the plating. Potato cheese cutlet is now ready to serve. So do you want to taste it?
Yes.
How was it?
It was nice.
It's nice.
Yes.
So you can eat this with tomato ketchup or with mayo or with mint chutney. So try this recipe at home.
Like and subscribe for more awesome cooking videos. Thank you.